Hey guys, so in today's video I'm going to be doing my left hand. Once again, here in this video I was actually doing my nails during load shedding. So as you can see on my right hand, I already have my orange Frenchies, but they're not complete because I could not finish up my nail set and apply top coat and all of that because we were out of power. So I just thought, let me do my left hand while I wait for power to come back. So that's a nice thing about using acrylic. I am going to be doing the nails that you see on screen. I got the inspo from Pinterest. It didn't really have a name, so I'm not really sure who to give the credit to. And also on my nails I already have I already have the rubber base gel on the yellow. So the yellow that you see on my nails is a rubber base gel that I got from how do you say this? I just had a brain fart. That I got from Bling Girl. Anyway, so I am doing Shorties also on my nails. I think these might be the last Shorties I do for the year, but never say never because I have been enjoying my Shorty season. So I might do Shorties towards the end of the year. I don't know. But yeah, I miss having longer nails. Also, I've been so busy that it's been hard to keep up with the long nails. I think I should do stiletto because stiletto is easier to handle no matter how long the nails are. So maybe I should go back to doing stiletto nails. But anyway, here I was just showing you how curved the Shorties are. Literally, I think it's because of my nail beds or how the rubber base gel makes my what's the word? I can't speak today. The rubber base gel makes my nail beds have a huge apex. So I feel like when I apply the nails, they face down. Oh, goodness. Anyway, so I am going to be answering would you rather questions. This is also one of those shorter videos. So I am going to be answering the would you rather questions that you see on screen. Also got them from Pinterest. And if you're willing to answer the questions as well, please leave your comments in the comment section down below. I am interested to know your answers to the questions, so don't hesitate to answer the questions too. So the picture is a bit blurry and there's just nothing I can do about it, but I hope you can read what is written on the picture. So the first one is, would you rather be 10 minutes late or always be 20 minutes early? Or I'd rather be 20 minutes early. I'm always early, so I'd rather that because when I'm late, I am a bit flustered. I don't concentrate on whatever it is that I'm late for. If it's class, I just feel all over the place. If it's a test, chances are I'm gonna black out. That has happened, by the way. So I don't like being late. I just feel out of place and I just feel like that energy rolls over to the rest of the day. So I don't like being late. I would rather be early, wait for you, chill in the car if I have to, just be there early so that I have my thoughts together and I have everything together that I need to get together, especially myself. So I'd rather be 20 minutes early all the time. Would you rather your shirt be 2 sizes too big or your shirt be 1 size too small? No, I'd rather have my shirts 2 sizes too big. For the longest time, growing up, I always had my clothes baggy. I always wore my clothes baggy. I've never had tight clothes. I actually started wearing tight jeans when I was 18, 19, 20, around 20. In fact, when I was about to turn 21, I was dating this guy that actually was like, you have a nice body, but you are always hiding behind baggy clothes and stuff. And then the first time I ever bought tight jeans, to this day, I was just like, those jeans were just so small. They were just so small. Anyway, I bought tight jeans and it just felt so uncomfortable. But I started wearing clothes that fit perfectly. They don't have to be tight, but that just fit. It's just that, I have the same problem that most girls have where your clothes will fit properly. Maybe your jeans will fit properly, but then around the waist, they're just giving a lot of space. Like, I need to wear a belt because they are holding my hips, but they're not holding my waist. Like, why? So yeah, I'd rather have my shirt two sizes big. And I also feel like baggy shirts are quite cute. I have a lot of baggy shirts, by the way, so I tend to wear just shirts alone in my house. Because I'm free to do that, I can walk around with just the shirts, especially around this time, nice and hot. No winter business. I don't like winter. Like, oof, child, no. Anyway, that was too long of an answer. Would you rather live in America or in Europe? I haven't been to either, but I would love to stay in Europe. There's a lot of stories in America that just... But I'm not a man. I just feel like being black in America is just hard. In fact, being black anyway is... it's tough. Me and my friends usually say that being black as a woman is like being black twice, because we are literally at the bottom tier. It's like black women at the bottom, then black men on top, then you have, but I don't want to go with races. Let's just leave that. But I'd rather stay in Europe. I feel like there's a lot of opportunities in America, and seeing a lot of young people make it around, like people my age make it. I'm just like, it seems like it's a bit easier that side because there's more resources and it's not as expensive. But my side, in South Africa, we have a lot of limitations, and also if you want to get the same opportunities that you see people have in America, and you want to do things yourself, when you incorporate the exchange rates, it just makes everything so expensive. So I don't know, I feel like the opportunities in America are very good, but I would like to live in Europe. I would rather live in Europe, honestly. And I feel like the weather there is great. I don't like winter, but I feel like they have nice, not so hot weathers, but it's not also freezing. Not to say America is freezing, I'm just saying I would love such weathers. Anyway, would you rather be alone for the rest of your life or save someone's life? Wow. Why is such a comparison? Because I would like to save someone's life, and I would love to be alone for the rest of my life. So why? And how do these even relate to each other? I don't like this question. Okay, so if I save someone's life, that it doesn't mean that... Okay, I'd rather save someone's life. Would you rather never use social media again or never watch TV again? Oh, I would rather never... I'm not even on social media that much. I'm just posting my nails. In fact, I'm also posting pictures once. So I don't watch TV, but I'd rather not have social media, because it's not like both of them are not really that significant for me. I feel like right now YouTube is my thing, and I haven't really been giving it as much attention as I want to in general, because of school and how demanding school has been for me. But I think social media for me right now is just YouTube, honestly. And it's also, I could do my nails without having to post them, so I would rather live without social media, and then I would have TV to entertain me, even though I don't watch TV right now. I don't know. Neither or either, I don't mind not having both, and I don't mind having both either. So yeah, I don't know how to answer the question. Okay, let's just choose one. I'd rather not have social media ever again. Yeah. Would you rather discover a new planet or discover cure to cancer? Oh, I would discover cure to cancer, and I believe there is a cure to cancer, but obviously business, guys. It's like with cure to HIV, or in my field, I'm a mechanical engineering student. There's a business that actually went out of business because they were so good. A car business that went out of business because the cars were so good, they didn't break down, so they ran out of business. So that's why you get businesses that will rather sell you a car that, it would last for, let's say their parts would last for a year, so that you can come back within a year and buy whatever you need for the car. That is how business is. So the car, I need to find the name of that car business that ran out of business because it was so good, nothing broke down, and people didn't need to go back and buy parts and all of that. So it's all about business these days. You have to make sure you give the public something that is quality, but you also want them to rely on you and keep coming back. Because if you give them something that is so good, they won't come back. It's like when you give people a cure to HIV. Do you know how many people have HIV these days? You know, there's a lot of young people that I know that have HIV, and if you were to give those people a cure, then you're running out of business as an ARV company or whatever, you know. So I've realized how much this is all about business. People don't care. It's all about money at this point. But yeah, going back to the video, I was struggling to make this flower, you guys. I struggle so much. I think I ended up using a sticker, or I don't remember what I did, because I did do these nails about 2 months ago or just last month, I don't remember. But I struggled so much to make that flower that I think I don't know what I did. It didn't turn out the way I wanted it to. But anyway, so yeah, my answer to the question was I would rather discover a cure to cancer and give it freely, really. A lot of people would have survived. A lot of people would have still been around, you know. It's just so sad. Like, anyway, would you rather unlimited sushi for life or unlimited tacos for life? So I've never had tacos or however you would pronounce that, but I think I would love tacos. I think I would. So because I haven't really had tacos, but a lot of people speak so highly of them, like the hot ones or the ones that you get in trucks, I don't know. It's so hard for me to say. I can't compare, because right now I love sushi. I'm a sushi girl. So I would rather pick sushi because that's what I know. I've never had tacos before. Would you rather give up music for a month or give up TV for a month? I'd rather give up TV for a month. I haven't watched TV in I don't know how long, so that wouldn't be a problem for me. Would you rather sell all your possessions or sell one of your organs? I mean, if I don't have to sell my organs, I don't have to. I won't do that. So I'd rather sell all my possessions. But if I die and then people need my organs, they can have them. But I would rather sell all my possessions. It's just material stuff, you guys. I just believe in, I don't know, let's not make this too long. Would you rather not shower for a week or wear the same clothes for a week? No, honey, I'd rather wear the same clothes for a week. I can't not shower. I cannot not shower because I struggle with coming back home from class or wherever and having to step into my bed without showering. That for me is the hardest thing to do. No matter how tired I am, I will jump onto that shower, no matter how tired I am. So I would rather wear the same clothes for an entire week rather that than miss my shower. Would you rather lose your sense of smell or your sense of taste? I think I would rather lose my sense of smell. Yeah, I'm thinking about this because of the people who smoke in public and just how that smell is quite irritating for me. It's just, I can't take it, and I don't understand rather why people would just, it's like when I'm sitting outside studying or whatever, and then you decide to go smoke outside and you decide to come stand right next to me. I'm like, who told you that I wanted to smell your cigarette? So I'd rather lose my sense of smelling. I love food, so that would be a disaster for me to lose my sense of taste. Would you rather set a table before dinner or clean up after dinner? Depending on how big the table is. But I think I would rather clean up after dinner. I love to clean up. I love to clean up and make sure that the place is clean. So I would rather clean up after dinner and have a person who's actually really good at setting up the table for dinner do that. Would you rather go to bed early or wake up early? I mean, I do both. So either. I would rather, I don't know. I wake up early, I go to bed early. So I don't know which one to choose, because at this point I would rather do both. And I do both. So yeah, I don't know. Would you rather marry someone who doesn't love you or marry someone you don't love? I would rather marry someone I don't love because I know I would not mistreat them. But someone who doesn't love you, you're not sure how they're going to treat you, and it's easy for them to mistreat you. So yeah, that is that. Right, so I am finally done with these. They didn't really go as planned, but I like them either way. I'm going to go in with this Wendy Beauty Cuticle Oil. Let me know what you think about these nails. Do you guys have any constructive criticism that you could give to me? I'm sure you have noticed that I've been doing short nails lately. I have been busy and I just can't not have nails, but I've also been enjoying these short nails lately, so let me know what you think about them. My index finger is shorter than the rest, but no one's gonna know. No one's gonna know. Who's gonna know? No one's gonna notice. So I'm not happy about that, but whatever. Let me know what you think about these nails. If you're still watching this far, please leave a dancing emoji in the comment section to let me know. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, honey. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.